Yeah, boy.
Welcome to part 2. This is exciting. This guy's mad easy. What? I bet you. I'm only doing a wrench, I think. Not really. Change my mind. Come on, fruit. Hey, you can't touch this. Come on. You can't touch this. Yo! Oh, the camera looks so awesome! It looks better than the actual screen.
Really? You couldn't see
Dang!
that on video?
It was great.
How would you see that?
Whatever, I don't care if I see it on video. I'm just weird.
How would you see that on video?
Yeah, this guy sucks.
You know how you'll get more likes? You better type in a beat chain, how to beat chain play with just a wrench. And if you beat him with a wrench, you'll start getting likes. It's crazy.
I'll try to get that. So it takes a while for people to view your videos. Oh. You know you can't hit me, freak. Why are you even trying? I look nice, but this guy's kind of tricky. All you gotta do is just jump up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do Mega P too. Y'all might have never heard of Mega P, but once you get like far into these like you know, gladiator levels and stuff, you'll see the Mega P. I almost got distracted. Are you serious?
Where does this guy come from?
Oh. Can't touch me, son. Yo, this guy's... Ooh, just got bait. That was only 4 minutes.
And the prize goes to you.